makes her way up to the stage. Y'all, singing Don't Rain on My Parade from Glee. Make a whole lot of noise, y'all.